Hi everyone. I'm coming on because I'm so late. I never did my January IPSY review. So, yes, that's what we're doing today. We are unbagging my IPSY for January. So, come, let's do this together. It's always fun to, what do they say? Discover yourself, darling. Discover. So I'm gonna pop this open here. So excited. I hope they have face products because I seriously am like out of facial wash. No cap, no cap. So you guys know that they always give us a little love note. Looks like this one is the GlamBag Patrick A Level Up. Oh. So they're basically just trying to ask me to go to the larger package, but we're going to stick with this here. This is the actual love note from them. So it says, dream it. New month, new year, and the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. See, that's why I love them. Like, they literally always find cute ways to like uplift you, you know, in their little sayings and stuff. So let me see. I'm trying to see what else they're doing. Okay, so they actually put on here like a little motivational quote, and then they give you beauty resolutions for your birth sign. So like, I'm a Pisces, and it says Pisces should embrace their uniqueness and let their quirks be shining. I don't know. But it's cute. I love that they give you a little love note with every bag. So this is the bag. Look at how they coordinated this. Look, it's like matching the little love note. I think they're so sweet. And just to look at the first product, I was just on here asking for face care products, so of course they sent me face mask. I love IPSY. If you guys don't have IPSY, you need to get it. This is the Peerless Blue Lotus Seaweed and Treatment Sheet Mask. So I'm definitely going to need to use one like tonight. My face is acting up on me, and I know it's because I've been using a lot more makeup lately. So I'll definitely be back later to show you guys how this works, okay? But it looks very, very relaxing. It says it has seaweed, and other Asian botanicals that deliver antioxidants and minerals to your skin. And I already eat seaweed anyway. I like seaweed chips. I don't know if you guys eat them, but they're good. So the next thing that I got another face mask. Oh my God, it's like they were reading my mind, okay? This is the Florence by Mills Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask, okay? I've never used any of this stuff, so this is a new experience today. And I love how everything is putting like a little love note in it. Like it's giving like a word of encouragement or something. I think branding is everything personally. So, I mean, this is like spot on for me. I love that. It says spread love before it's good for our heart. Oh, spread love because it's good for our hearts. Isn't that nice? Ooh, this looks cool. It's like purple in the jar. Should I open it? I'm weird. I like to smell when I open it. Let's see. You guys. It's a peel-off mask, so it is a bit sticky. I'll have to try that one later, too, because I know that they take time to dry, and I really don't have time. I'm about to go to class in a minute, so I don't have time right now, but I'll be back later, I promise. And then the next thing is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop Balm. So it looks just like a chapstick, but it's watermelon flavored. All natural ingredients. We love to see it. And they also have very cute packaging with this. So I do like to try stuff while I'm on camera with you guys. I guess I can try this one thing since it's not a face mask. Ooh, this is moisturizing. And it smells so yummy. Oh my God. Yeah, this is Glow Recipe Lip Pop. Super nice. Super moisturizing. Moving right along, I've got 2 more products left. I have the Beauty for Real. What is this? Oh, I think it's actually another mascara. I needed another mascara anyways, so I already have this one. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. It's very... Yeah, this is the one that I had before. Because it gets all the little small hairs. Like, even if you have the smallest lashes, it'll, like, pick them up. Like, look at that. That's so pretty to me because it's like your natural lashes, but it's like spreading them all out, if you can see the difference. Just a bit. And this one I think I had to do 2 coats with when I was using it. Oh, I'm so glad they sent me another one anyways. Yeah, I love this mascara. I'm not gonna lie to you. So this is Beauty for Real. Like, I think this is perfect for natural lashes. If you don't wear extensions or anything, this is cute. All right, you guys. So now that I'm done getting all primed up for no reason, I have 1 more product. And I know I'm moving fast, but like I said, I have to hurry up and go to class. I'll be back on if anyone's up in the late night gang. Well, I couldn't be lopsided there. It's even, right? I don't really care. I'm just sitting around the house. It's virtual school. It's online, so no biggie. Now, the last product is Ofra. I am obsessed with Ofra. I use their products all the time. They have like the best highlighter glow for brown skin that I think. So for us brown and chocolate caramel colored girls, you know, we got to get the love on the makeup side too. So Ofra has amazing packaging if you didn't know already. This is another highlighter that they sent me. I'm so obsessed. It's a liquid to baked formula, and it creates show-stopping pigments that melt into your skin. And they are not lacking on any of the promises there. They definitely deliver. So just to show you guys a swatch of what this looks like inside. It's so beautiful. Like, this isn't even doing it justice. I'm just gonna do like a little swatch. Like, instant glow, yo. You don't even need a whole lot of this. Just like wherever you want to shine, which would obviously be your highlight points of your face. You just need a little bit. Because I don't know about you, girl, but I'm looking for a healthy glow, you know? A healthy glow, not too much blinding light action, but like this gives the right amount of healthiness to your face. So I love it so much. Thank you, Ofra. Thank you, IPSY. If you do not have an IPSY subscription, I highly recommend that you get one. They start off, I think I was paying close to like, oh, I don't know, was it $10 or something before? And then I upgraded just recently to the middle size package, which is like $25. And then they've got the large package, which is $50. And you get like full size tall bottles, 6 items in that one. So I get full-size tall bottles, but there's like 4 or 5 products in mine. And then the smallest one, you get like miniature size products, but there's still quality like brands that you can rely on. So I definitely recommend it. I don't have to buy makeup outside of this really ever. So yeah, I'm just coming on and giving you my makeup tip 101 for the month. Start with IPSY. Just get the subscription and you will be shocked at how much money you save on makeup, guys. Okay, so I'll be back later. This was just a quick one to show you my IPSY box for the month. And I'm going to class now, but I love you and I'll see you later. Bye.